Hey guys, your tech girly here, your social media bestie here. Hi, my name is Balaji, and if you're new here, I am about to be your tech girly and your social media bestie. I'm sure you're wondering why exactly is Balaji side by side by an AI generated image. Well, I want to show you exactly how to create AI generated images using Microsoft Bing. I'm sure I don't know if you've seen the new wave of people using like AI to create images. It's pretty easy, and Microsoft Bing is free. So let's just go right into it. No long talks. Let's start creating, and let me show you how I did it. In maybe your Safari, your Google, Microsoft Bing, anyone. I'm going to use Bing for this particular one. And then I'm going to come here and type Microsoft Bing image creator. So you can do it on Google, you can do it on Safari, but I just wanted to use Bing. And as you can see here, it's showing me because I've been using it to create images, you can redeem points, but we're going to talk about that later on. So this is the first option you want to type, you want to click on, and it's going to bring you into a page like this. You need to have a Microsoft account to be able to access this, and I'm going to give you, or you can check the description for some of my prompts. I'm going to list out some of my prompts because I'm going to pull them up. I have my prompts here. These are my AI prompts. I have them here, and these are the AI prompts that I would be using and sharing with you guys. So what you want to take note of is you need to have an account first, and this is you get to have points that you can redeem with Amazon to play games, to buy things, to pay for apps. I have 54 points because I've not really been using it. You click on redeem, it takes you to another page where you can see what you can use and how many points you need to actually redeem or buy whatever you need to buy. Basically, I've not done that yet. So yes, you can actually redeem that. Now you can tell it to surprise you if you don't know what kind of prompt to give it, but I already have like a few prompts. And one thing I like about it is these are some of my creations. You can see some of my recent creations where I was able to like instruct it to create images for me, like 3D AI images for me and everything. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to pull out some of this prompt and we're going to tweak this prompt to work for me. So I'm going to just select this one and just copy it and paste it here. Let's just erase this. So I'm going to, this prompt says, let's move the arrow key because I need to see what it says, because I'm always doing somebody either wearing a jeans or a background. And I'm sure you must have seen a lot of people sitting like maybe generating AI images on maybe the Instagram logo. So I'm saying create a vibrant 3D scene with the social media ogre. So I want to a 29-year-old Nigerian lady wearing a yellow jumper. Okay, so I want to write she is sitting casually beside the Instagram logo. Oh, I've already said dress her in a yellow jumper. She has on a blonde wig, blue jeans, and white sneakers. The background, so let's see, the background should showcase an Instagram profile with the username, the social media ogre, and a corresponding profile picture also. So let's just end it there. And on your first creation, it's going to take a little more time to generate, but since I've been using it for a while, it's not going to take so long to actually generate. And you can see this thing here is called the image boost, so you get 15 every single day. I've used it to create like a whole lot. I've recorded this video before, but I'm choosing to record it again, and then oh my god, this looks amazing. Can you guys see? So you can check your image to see which one you want. This is the social media ogre. You can see I'm sitting in front of a logo. Is the yellow background, but it didn't really get the further ones. And if you want to like write things you want to see in the Instagram logo, you can actually say that I actually kind of like this one. So um let's modify it again. As you can see, I have 8 boosts and now I have 57 points. So let's modify it again. She's wearing a yellow jumper. um let's modify it and say she's sitting casually on the Instagram logo, and she has on a blonde wig with dark roots. I'm going to say with dark roots. All right, blue jeans and white sneakers. um I'm also going to say the background should be the Instagram colors should be green, basically, with different Instagram. I want to try something Instagram profiles. Let's just see how this looks. I don't know what it's going to create for me, but I really love that it gives you 4 options. And you can see here it's in my recent. So if I choose to maybe go with that option, I'm going to like go with it. As you can see here, it has also like reduced to 7. Some of them might cost more boosts. I really like this. Like, I really like this. This is good. She's casually just sitting on the logo. I said it should have different Instagram profiles behind, and then you can see that it definitely does that. This doesn't show that she's sitting. This is actually really good, and I'm gonna save it. Like, this is actually really good. So you can use AI images for your designs and every single thing. Let's pull up another what do you call it, prompt. So let me remove this. And for this prompt, I said she's wearing a green jumper, so I want her to wear a white jumper. I love jumpers a lot. She's wearing blue leggings in a with, and our background is different YouTube profile logos. And one thing I need to tell you, you can see my points is now 60. One thing I need to tell you is you need to know how to prompt ombre and black wig. She's wearing, yes, ombre, brown and black wig. She's sitting at a desk. So I don't want her to sit at the desk. She's casually sitting on the YouTube logo, and with, no, I don't, she's not sitting with the podcast microphone. So I'm just casually, like, a very beautiful caramel complexion melanin woman. That's good. Create a 3D frontal image. So let's tell it to create for us, and let's see what it will generate. I'm very fingers crossed, but it's going to be something. You can use this in your designs. You can, as you can see, I have 63 points again. The more you create, oh my god, this is amazing. I really like this. But there's a Twitter behind it, so you can choose to, this is good, this is good, this is good. And I like the way that it came out with the ombre wigs and everything. And then I like this one, it looks cartoonish. And then you can just save to your you can save a collection. You can have a collection of saved images. You can also like choose if you want to share it to with anybody. But this, you need to know how to instruct the AI. And when you instruct it, and one thing you also notice is you can see your prompt here. You can copy, you can modify it, and that's it, guys. There you go. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, if you want to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. I'm not forcing anybody to subscribe, but please let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell and subscribe if you want to. And I see you guys in my next video. Bye.